Alright, so welcome back to Vlogmas. I am actually in Bashko. I am getting a few stuff from a Pixie. I probably should have gotten a cart from a Pixie to make a little treat basket for her because what she wanted actually cost more than the Pixie allowance. So she had asked for the money, or well, I'm gonna give her the money, but I think that like giving her the money alone would that be a little too little bit. So I am going to make a basket for her and give those to her. She loves blue, or I would assume she loves blue because her son goes to JC. So I'm gonna make a little blue. She loves tea, so I definitely getting her a teacup. She's always drinking tea, and I'm gonna get her a few more stuff to put in the basket. But I'm going back for a cart because I can't walk with the stuff in my hand. I don't really know what to get her, but I definitely want to put together a little something something. So I think Bashka was kind of the perfect place to come because them have a wide array of things that I can put together. So get it. I need a little tray as well to put all her stuff in. I don't need nothing too big. Probably get her something for her desk. Definitely getting the cup. I getting her things that she can use at work. Okay. I'm gonna get her this blue container as well. Um, so I want small enough things that can put in the little basket that I'm making. I don't want nothing too big. Don't want to get anything too big. But I want whatever I get to be usable. I see him now. Alright, so I am moving on to another section. See if I can get anything. I'll probably put this in there. It's a little champagne. It's blue, so I'm definitely sticking to the blue theme. I'm sticking to the blue theme. Microfiber wrap. Just a bunch of random beads. I think I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more thing. And a little container. So I got a clear drawer organizer to pack everything. So sorry, in blue tissue paper is probably what I need now. I'm actually gonna check out. So I got the clear drawer organizer. I got a blue plate. I got a blue brush. I got a blue leather champagne, I got a blue cup, I got a blue mirror, and I got a blue shower curtain liner and a blue towel. So let's go check those out. I am back in the car. I forgot that I also brought a hat to put in it. The hat says God got me. A blue non-alcoholic sparkling wine, a blue food container. I got her a blue mug, she loves drink tea. I got her a blue mirror for her desk. I think it has a light, that's why I got this one, but it's blue, it's one of the oval ones. I got her a blue brush. Her hair always combs, so I think that was like a good thing to get her as well. I got her a blue shower lining as well, because one of the first gifts that I gave her, it was for her bathroom, so this would have tied in good with it. And I also gave her a blue is a bathroom rag. Also the gift that I give her would tie in good with the shower curtain and the first gift that I gave her. And I got this as well to put everything in. I may need to get like a little postcard to put the money in, and probably like some blue or white tissue paper so I can put everything together for her and take it down to her office. So thank you guys for watching. I'm not gonna show you guys when I put everything together, so I'm gonna close off the vlog right here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and more Vlogmas episodes will be with you shortly. Bye guys.
Hosanna, 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 we make a chain breaker with you, got me safer. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna.